Hey, Sam here and welcome to Salespage Builder. This is the bonus page for Salespage Builder and I'm excited about this software today. The reason being that sales pages are so important in our online marketing. When I first invested in my first site builder, for example, it cost me about $297, but it made a huge impact on my business. Immediately, I started saving a ton of time, a ton of costs that were going to developers, designers, all of that, and it really benefited my business. Well, today there's a new software coming out. It's starting off at just $24.95 and it's going to give you a range of 5 different templates that you can choose from on the front end where you can actually build your own sales pages based off their templates. It's really easy to do, and it means that even if you have no skills in this area, you've never put together a sales page before in your life and you have zero design skills, you can put together a sales page that looks great, that sells, and will help you sell your products. Now, if you have white label products, reseller rights products, this software is going to be really useful for that. And on that topic, down below are all the bonuses, and I've actually managed to secure a really cool white label product if you get in early to this, as well as all of the other bonuses down below. And there's also a really specific bonus to this. What I've decided to throw in is a bonus which is actually a template that I use, the same exact template explaining the whole process of running through a sales page. I basically walk you through how I do my sales pages as a bonus, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm communicating in certain parts of my sales pages, which is going to really help you to deconstruct sales pages and write this into your business as well. Use this software more effectively so what you write is going to help you to make money. So these are the different templates that are on my screen right here. You've got 5 different templates and they all include everything you would need for a product launch. So you've got a sales page, you've got a JV page, and you've got a special offer page or bonus page if that's what you want for the launch. Now on the front end there is 5 different templates that have all of these 3 sets included in each, and on the back end is the OTO one, which you'll see more details about down below. You actually get 50 of these, so you can completely customize any sales page to the look and feel that you want. The software itself is downloadable. It works on Windows and PC. This is it here. Now it's a really easy to use app. You basically go to the welcome page here, you enter in a image you would like to add for this particular template you're working on. You can then import dummy text, or you can preview all of the templates as we were doing just a moment ago. Now as you build your template, you start here, you go through and you do the integrations. You basically have a body tag and a head tag that you can use, which means that the software, yes, it does integrate with Social Pop. Also, you've got a headline. You can start writing by adding into this headline here. Now, what I've done is I've actually pre-populated the content, but if it's not added or there's no content there, it actually says enter your pre-headline here. And if you do want examples done for you, you can just say import dummy content. It'll actually import a pre-done sales page for you, and you'll be able to then write these parts as you want. One of the important factors here is if you want to turn off the headline or turn off a section, you can do that by just unticking this headline here, and you'll be able to see a preview of this yourself. Now, one of the disadvantages of this software is that there is no preview as you're adding in this content. That's probably the biggest preview that or the biggest disadvantage that I've seen so far. What you can do though is you can actually look at the previews here, so you can actually have a look. You can see for yourself what's being added in and which section you're working on by previewing this as you go through the creation process. And for $24.93, I think it's launching with, it's not a big deal doing this, considering the cost is so low and it gives you so much that you can certainly do with it. So type in your headline, the quick points you want for your particular sales page. Enter in your video. If you've got a video you want, or you can untick it if you don't want a video. It could be a sales video you've got from a white label product, or if you have your own product, it could be a sales video that you're using as well. Then you can enter in different boxes, different benefits into this template. You can add section number 1, which you'll see on your sales page is basically a section that goes into and starts going through the different benefits of what you have. Through here you can add images, you can add text, you can add anything you want into this. It's a full builder right here that you get access to, and you can chunk down what you want to add into these sections. Then you've got the features, then you've got section number 2 if you want section number 2. You don't need section number 2. You've got testimonials if you want testimonials. If you don't have any testimonials, you can just untick this. Then you can go to section 5 if you want add your guarantee if you're doing a shorter sales page, add your buy button, the price, add your buy button code. It could be JVZoo, PayPal, or any sort of system that you're using. And then after that, go into the FAQs, add some FAQs or disable it, add a signature in. Depending on how many people are inside of your launch, you could add 1, 2, 3, or 4. Add a footer, and then you get to style it. So you can actually choose what kind of header colors you want, what kind of backgrounds you want. CTA button, you can go into that, what kind of look you have for the testimonials, and you can chunk down the different looks and feels. Then once you're ready, just export the HTML. Now the export feature just gives you the ability to name it. So you can call this sample template. We can browse then a location that we want to actually put this into. I'll put it into my desktop for now. And then we click OK, and it's going to export our sales page. Now it's exported it. After it's exported it, then we can preview our sales page. So you may not be able to see a preview during the building process, but you can definitely see one afterwards. This is the sales page that we just created here. And if we wanted to, we could then, after this, go back, check whether our text is as we want it. If we're happy with our text, then we can change it. Or if we're not happy with it, we can change it again. Or if we are happy with it, we can then upload this to our server. It's really easy to do. You just go through do it in cPanel. There's training in the section about it. Really easy to do. Upload it, edit, and your sales page is ready to go. So it's a really straightforward builder. It's going to take you next to no time to actually create these sales pages, and you'll be able to start building it. And if you're looking for a low-cost solution to creating sales pages, I highly recommend this. One of the key components of doing online marketing is actually your ability to sell through sales pages and actually having sales pages for your products. If you don't yet have a sales page builder, this is a good option. It's a good starting point. It's not as good as ClickFunnels. It's not as good as Optimized Press, but the price does make it very attractive and does make it a really cool builder that can help you make a lot of money online. So I hope this review has been helpful. Go down below, check out all of the different bonuses, and I'll talk to you again soon. This is Sam Becker, and I'll see you later.